Hello today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this DeLonghi Eletta fully automatic coffee machine with milk system and Lattecrema system, and this is a real cool thing. ECAM 4686 is the name of this device family, and it comes here in a black finish. It's also on the market, for example, in silver and I think in other colors too, but I like the black one, as you can see. It's really easy to use, and it is the Eletta cappuccino Evo machine. Really cool device because you have one tap and you can make coffee easily because it's easy to use. The LCD display and the 6 coffee specialities are touch button for easy. There's a touch button for each coffee you like cappuccino or others. You can make so many different coffees here: espresso coffee, long coffee, cappuccino, latte macchiato, and hot milk. These are the main coffee specialties. We have a Lattecrema system. This is a patented milk frothing system for particularly creamy, fine poured milk foam for the perfect cappuccino. Cleaning is automatically done by a rotary knob. The high quality grinder is included. That means it's a fully automatic coffee machine. The only thing you need is, of course, milk, water, and beans. That's all. And the fully automatic coffee machine here will make everything. That means we have here a grinder, a 13-step corn grinder. It can be individually adjusted, and it fits 380 grams of coffee beans in the container. The fully automatic machine is also suitable for use with coffee powder if you like. And it's easy to clean. Okay, the compact brewing unit is low maintenance possibility. It can be completely removed from the coffee machine itself, and this allows easy cleaning of the machine interior. And we have a long coffee function for a traditional breakfast coffee, prepared in a brewing process at low pressure. But what it is, DeLonghi itself is a company from Italy. This is an Italian small appliance manufacturer based in Treviso in Italy, and the company was founded by the DeLonghi family in 1902 as a small industrial part manufacturing workshop. The company incorporated in 1950. Historically, a major producer of portable heaters and air conditioners, the company has expanded to including nearly every category of small domestic appliances in the food preparation and cooking, as well as household cleaning and ironing segments. But the main thing here is they make the best coffee making machines on the market, which is in the price not so exorbitant high. Okay. And here it comes. This is an espresso machine. An espresso machine brews coffee by forcing pressurized water near the boiling point. The machine makes this automatically through a poke of ground coffee and a filter in order to produce a thick, concentrated coffee called the espresso. And the espresso is here the main feature. Okay, you have an espresso now with the other ingredients, that means milk foam, and milk, hot water, and of course the espresso. This machine can build so many other coffees out of this main ingredients. And this is the best thing. You have an espresso machine included. You have an milk foamer included. And you have an automatic coffee machine. Multiple machines designs have been created to produce espresso. Several machines share some common elements, such as a group head and a portafilter. An espresso machine may also have a steam wand, which is used to steam and froth liquids. In this case here, it's a little bit other, because there is not only such a steam wand. It is a tube. You have a reservoir with milk, and then out of this reservoir comes a tube out of it, and that's all. You do not have to go to make the froth by yourself. No, they make it automatically, and this is a really cool feature, because you only have to press a button. It's really easy. Okay. The first step is you insert water, okay? Then of course, the first step is remove all packages, okay, yeah. And then you can start the peelings. And then if you add beans to it, add water, you can use it. You can use to make a lot of different delicious coffees. Okay, we have beverage, which we can select. Espresso, the quantity is 40 milliliter. It's programmable quantity from around about 30 to 80 milliliter. And you can choose the aroma setting from 2 up to from 1 up to 5 beans. Okay, that means the strength of the espresso. Then you can make with the machine a coffee around about 180 milliliter. It's programmable, of course, from 100 to 240 milliliter. And here there are more aroma you can set up. And we can make a long coffee, That quantity is 160 milliliter, or you can go from 115 to 250 milliliter. Then you can make additional selected configurations, and ristretto, for example, an espresso lungo, a doppio plus, 2 espresso at once, 2 espresso lungo at once, or 2 ristretto at once. Of course, here the case is the same. You can make an aroma setting, and the quantity you can choose by the 2 espresso lungo, and ristretto you cannot choose. These are every time 40 milliliter for espresso. Espresso lungo is 120. And ristretto is 30 milliliter 2 times. Then we can sell it espresso itself, so of course, coffee and long. And you can adjust the coffee mill, for example, to make a different flavor setting because of the beans. It grinds then a little bit bigger or is smaller. Then you have a little bit dust. It's nearly dust. And in espresso way, you like to have the finest selection of this dust. Then you have, if you would like to make a cappuccino or something else, you have to add milk. For this, you will need the milk container. Of course, this is a really cool thing, because the milk container you can store in the refrigerator easily, and it's cold. Yeah, that's good. And with this additional thing, you can make more. Of course, hot milk, not frothed, or a coffee latte. You can make minimum froth or maximum froth for cappuccino or hot milk, flat white or latte macchiato. And this, in addition to the other options of that device, will give you a big bunch of possibilities to make coffee with that machine. And of course, it's really easy to clean up. Of course, it's a full automatic machine. That means you have to clean this machine, I think, 2 times, 4 times a year. Okay, but the manufacturer will say all 3 or 4 days and every week and so. But in my case, I'm going to use it every day, and I clean it 3 times a year, maybe 4 times a year. And if you do that, you can remove nearly everything out of the machine, and you can wash it up easily by running water or the dishwasher. And then you can reinstall it and have fun again. You have different programs to use. You can use the eco energy saving mode. You have to descale it. And one thing is this machine needs a lot of water. Okay, this machine needs a lot of water, but this is not bad because it makes your coffee is every time fresh and good, and if you use good beans, it comes and gives you a really good flavor. So it needs a lot of water, but it makes a good coffee. Not only a coffee, so many different beverages it can make here. For example, cappuccino and latte macchiato and long and so many. And it's easy to operate this machine. This is the DeLonghi Latte Cappuccino Evo with the Lattecrema system, and I like the Lattecrema system, and for this froth is really cool. You does not need to make it by yourself. It's only a tank, a container, which milk you have to add milk into it, and then you can make it automatically. It's really cool because it's the DeLonghi Eletta fully automatic coffee machine here with the milk system. Take care of the milk system because this is your big friend. If you like not only coffee or espresso, if you like additional things like frothing, then you need the milk system, and this makes it more delicious. Oh yeah, this is a nice coffee machine. This is one of the best coffee machine I ever had before. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.